Another thing that I've seen recently is Cisco and their acquisition of Armorblox. Uh, Cisco announced its intention to acquire Armorblox, a company that specializes in using large language models, which we've all heard about since the explosion of ChatGPT and others. Uh, and they're using this natural language understanding in cybersecurity. This acquisition is a significant step towards their AI first security cloud strategy. And I know we're going to talk about that a little bit later in the show, as they're emphasizing during Cisco Live this week. By leveraging Armorblox's expertise in predictive and generative AI, Cisco aims to transform the way customers interact with and understand their security control points. We expect this technology will enable better attack prediction, threat detection, and policy enforcement, leading to improved security experiences for customers. What do you think about this, Stephen?
Well, first off, I was not aware of Armorblox before this acquisition announcement, but let me tell you, after looking into it, I got to say, this is some pretty cool stuff, and I wish I had known about it. Essentially, this is a company that focused on email security, and basically, they're trying to target those email attacks that we're hearing about and seeing. Financial fraud, data loss, that kind of thing, where you get an email. I mean, I've gotten an email from some of the people who work here at Gestalt IT saying, "Hey, can you please send me a list of our accounts receivable or hey, what's the bank account and routing number again?" That kind of thing, looking like it's coming from inside. That kind of email threat is really hard to detect using conventional tools. And Armorblox basically is trying to attack threats like this using natural language processing and deep learning. And that is very, very smart. To have Cisco acquire them so quickly, I mean, the company, it looks like they were only founded back in 2017. To have Cisco acquire them, integrate them, I think is a really smart move for Cisco. Frankly, it looks like almost any company in this space would have wanted this technology. And it points to basically an expanding use of machine learning in a way that it really makes a lot of sense. In fact, I'm just going to put a quick pitch in here. This is literally the subject of the on-premise IT podcast that we're publishing on Tuesday, where we're talking about using machine learning as a way to enhance cybersecurity. That's exactly what Armorblox is doing. That's exactly what Cisco is doing as they're presenting at Cisco Live. And this acquisition makes just a ton of sense. All I can say is, kudos to the Armorblox team. It looks like you put something together pretty well, something pretty useful. And good call, Cisco, in acquiring it so early and hopefully affordably so that you can spread this technology around.